Yo, what's good, y'all? So today I took a trade. Obviously, y'all can see by my screen. Okay, so I want to go over this trade I took, and it's pretty straightforward. It's very easy to understand what I did here. So I mean, I guess might as well go ahead and get into it, man, right? But first things first, let's go to the 1 hour time frame, right? On the 1 hour was bullish, so we had a bullish trend. On the 4 hour, it was bullish as well. So my daily bias was bullish. I want to take a bullish trade, right? Okay. So I actually took this trade pretty early. I do not recommend taking your trade before 8 o'clock if you're trading Forex, right? So, but that let's just go ahead and get that out of the way. Do not trade before 8 o'clock. Just don't do it. But anyways, let me go ahead and break this trade down. So first things first is I went on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, and I waited for I marked out the recent highs and recent lows in the previous markets. Okay. So first things first. Let me go. Wait, I forgot this. So right here we have a London session, and in this one we have Asian session. So this high right here is Asian session and highs right here. Okay, but right here is London session lows and Asian session lows. Okay, so I'll mark it. Oh man, my bad. Okay, so what I wanted to do was I seen the market was pushing down, and right here we have the Asian session. Well, it's actually not Asian session, but it's like previous New York session. This is a previous New York session low, but it's pretty high. It's a pretty good draw on liquidity, so I marked it out. But anyway, so what I did was right here we have a 1 hour fair value gap. See, like right here we have a 1 hour fair value gap. Boom, right here. And what you see right here, right, is you see it push into this 1 hour fair value gap and then immediately push out. So we got sell power. We got I said a brain fart. We had a bearish pullout. It pulled out the fair value gap bearish. So that obviously shows that it's going to continue going downward. Okay? So on the 5 minute, I waited for a break of structure. Right here you see we got a break of structure on the 5 minute time frame. And then I waited for a fair value gap after that break of structure. And right here you see we had a fair value gap. Okay? Boom. And then we made that fair value gap. But look what happens when we make this fair value gap. You see this big white candle, my green candle? It pushed inside that fair value gap and it had sell power coming out of it. That's an obvious sign that we're going to continue going downward. Okay? So I'll go on the 1 minute time frame and I wait for a 1 minute break of structure to the downside. And what you see right here is we got a break of structure in the 1 minute. Okay? We got a break of structure right here. I placed my trade in like right about here. And what I did was I went to the high draw on liquidity right here. First, right here, this first draw on liquidity right here was our first take profit. And then, obviously, here's our second take profit, this black line. And that's that previous New York low from the previous day. But this trade was a 2.44 risk to reward. So it was a pretty damn good trade. I think I made... I don't know where my phone is, but I think I made like $250 on this trade. So it was a pretty good trade. But yeah, man, that's pretty much about it. If y'all got any questions about what I just said, if y'all got any questions in general, just let me down in the comments, and I'll obviously look into it. But other than that, man, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.